Hello, dear students. Welcome. In today's session, we are going to learn one essay that's come under literature section. The title of the essay is "Sharing Tradition." This is an interesting essay by Frank Lapena. In the essay, we see how the role of tradition, the role of cultural values are significant for shaping our culture, our traditions. In this essay, Lapena has discussed about preserving our cultural values and traditions. If we preserve our cultural values and traditions, then the future generation they can evaluate this and they can go accordingly. So to preserve our cultural values, to preserve our culture, we should share the tradition from one generation to another generation, from the elder to the younger one. When the elder have passed away, then their role can be fulfilled by the younger one. So here in the essay, Frank Lapena discuss about transferring traditions and cultural values from one generation to the next generation. One Here is a short biography of Frank Lapena, who was born in San Francisco and California, a famous essay writer. In this essay, Lapena has discussed about the sharing tradition, which is passing on culture and values from generation to generation through oral tradition. For this, we must listen to our elders' history to preserve our culture. We must get the idea from our elders. So, oral tradition plays very important role for transferring our culture. This essay talks about this. Now, being based on it, we are going to learn about this essay, sharing tradition by Frank Lapena. Uh, don't forget one thing, sharing tradition. The title itself speaks that through sharing the tradition, through oral tradition, we preserve our culture, our social values and norms we preserve. So in the essay, the writer has discussed about this. We will go on there. Well, let's go through this plot of this. Let's say the summarize from this essay, sharing tradition. This sharing tradition is an interesting essay written by Frank Lapena, who was born in San Francisco, California. The essay is about passing on culture and values from generation to generation through oral tradition. The writer has presented the importance of tradition for the people of this whole and its preservation through the oral tradition, uh, which is an art form. Lapena has emphasized on our tradition and cultural values, which are very much important for our bright future. According to the writer, we must listen to our elders to maintain our cultural and traditional norms and values. Lapena has put forward his opinions in favor of oral its preservation. He has even talked about different factors which have affected oral tradition and created problems to maintain our culture and values in this essay. Overall, in this essay, Lapena has discussed about the idea of sharing tradition to preserve our culture. According to this essay, Frank Lapena talks about the instance of oral tradition and keeps on telling all his readers about experience and thoughts related to oral tradition. The oral tradition refers to a form of art of human communication where knowledge, art, ideas, and cultural material is received, preserved, and transmitted orally from generation to generation. In other words, oral tradition is about passing on information related to cultures and values from generation to generation through oral means. This transmission is made through speech or songs, folk tales, ballads, chants, prose or verse, etc. So, oral tradition helps to maintain the values of the culture. The task of sharing the task of sharing is not minor here. The task of sharing tradition through oral means seems easy to talk about, very quite hard to practice here. Both the elders and young people play a vital role to maintain and preserve the values of culture. The role of speakers, elders, and listeners, young people, or uh, flowers is very important. Uh, the knowledge of elders related to cultures, traditions, religions, and values must be listened and followed properly by young people. The elders share the traditions and various concepts related to culture and value to the young people. Definitely, young people they do not know about the actual cultural values and norms of their tradition. So when the elder person they tell them about what kind of culture they belong to and their cultural norms and their cultural values, then the young one, they get to know with the help of the elders one. So year after the death of elderly people, young people have to fill up their places being responsible. They have to take responsibility for sharing traditions after elders through oral traditions to maintain cultures and values in their community. In this way, the oral tradition keeps on moving generation to generation, preserving culture and values. Young, we can make elders alive, maintaining their concept of tradition and knowledge of life in the community. The concept of elders move on generation to generation, being immortal. Tradition keeps on moving ahead properly if we are aware of our culture, the lifestyle of elders, their concepts related to life, belief, religion, culture, value, etc., made them capable to acquire the ideal position in their life. They kept on sharing their tradition orally from generation to generation for the welfare of humanity. They showed the righteous paths to survive ahead. Their act of sharing tradition were from the for the future of coming generation and their life. Oral tradition is educational tool for understanding this natural world. It is the proper way to secure the cultures and values of the people. So in this essay, Sharing Tradition by Frank Lapena, uh, has said that we have to share our tradition from, let's say, from elder to a younger. So when the elders they have passed away, then the role of the elders can be fulfilled by the younger one. So in this sense, while transferring culture, oral tradition is has a great role to transfer the culture, values, norms of the particular community and society, caste, ethnicity. So here, uh, one most important way to preserve our culture is sharing tradition. If we share our tradition, then the culture will be preserved for next generation. So here the important role of the younger, let's say elder and younger, is that they have to, especially elder, they have to share the tradition through oral tradition to the younger one, so that the role of them uh, can be fulfilled, can be gear up. Well, still, that is the main idea from this essay, sharing tradition. The sharing tradition itself speaks that we have to share the culture norms from one generation to another generation. The writer has discussed here. Well, then here are some questions. Let's go through this question. Uh, that is from understanding the text of this page. Let's go there. Understanding the text, you can see here, that is answering the following question. According to Lapena, what is the importance of the oral tradition? To what extent do you agree with the opinions and why? Here you can see this idea. Uh, okay. So for this answer, you can go through here. According to Lapena, the meaning of the oral tradition is to preserve and maintain the culture and values of our tradition from generation to generation by word of mouth. I fully agree with these views because the culture and the values of tradition should be nurtured and protected from generation to generation for the benefit of people and their life. Culture and tradition values play a very important role in people's life. You can get that answer. Uh, in the same way, next question: who preserve and pass on the oral tradition? For this answer, you can go on there. Oral tradition is an art from where the information and culture values passed. You can go on there. And the next one is, what is the danger of not passing on information from generation to generation? That is the danger of not passing information down from generation to generation is that the culture and values of our tradition will die out. People have to survive meaningless life without their culture and tradition values. There is the answer for that question. And the next question is, what is the difference between oral tradition and literary tradition? So here you need to understand oral tradition is a form of art in which information relating to culture values are transmitted from generation to generation. Whereas that is uh, in especially in literary tradition. Literary tradition refers to the both written and printed tradition, which is information transmitted through written means. You get to know this answer. The next question is, how does Lapena establish the relation between art and oral tradition? For this answer, you can go on the, that is establish a relation between art and oral tradition through this view in this essay. You can go on this answer. And then we have next reference to the context for this. There is a question. Lapena stated that oral traditions help maintain the values of culture. If you believe that oral tradition is important, how do you maintain it? You can follow this answer. Go on through it. Then B number. Not everyone is capable of fulfilling the roles of elders, explain this statement of the reference to the essay. For this answer, you can go on there. That is the answer of this question. Then we have next question, number C. What is the controlling idea of or thesis of this essay? So here, thesis means main idea of this essay. Controlling idea or thesis of this essay is about sharing tradition by oral methods and even the correct way of passing it from generation to generation. This essay talks about this. That is the main idea of this essay. You can get to know. So that is the answer. Then we have next D number. How do topic sentence guide the reader through the essay? What would be lost without them? For this question, you can go through this answer. I have mentioned the answer here in the point as well. So the points, the topics will lose the lot in the essay. That is correct conception of tradition sharing, controlling idea of the essay, oral tradition and its importance. Okay, that is the idea. Then next question, what are the four major problems developed by Lapena with regard to maintaining oral tradition? How are they used to structure the essay? For this answer, the four main issues developed by Lapena regarding maintaining oral tradition are that is difficulty in filling the leaders niche, the influence of modern technology, impact of modern education system, information sources, and how to reorganize and share them. Okay, that is the question answer of that question. Then reference beyond the text is write a paragraph or two explaining your attitude towards the oral tradition of passing along information. Okay, for this question, you can go through this answer. I think that oral tradition is one of the effective practice for sustaining and preserving the culture and values of tradition for all people of this world. You can follow this answer for that question. Then next one is our culture is our identity. Write a few paragraph explaining how you intend to preserve your culture, values and norms. Then our identity is our culture. In our lives, our culture, values and norms play a very significant role. You follow that that answer I have mentioned here. It is in point as well. That is just, you can go through there. So now ultimately we are at the end of this we are at the end of our class. I hope you got the concept. Today we discuss about this essay sharing tradition. So in the essay, Frank Lapena I discussed about the sharing tradition from one generation to another generation through oral tradition. We need to share our culture, values, norms from one generation to another generation because in order to preserve our culture, we have to transfer the tradition. We discussed that. Easton, I hope you got the concept. If you have any confusion regarding this, don't forget to comment there. Finally, like and subscribe this versatile learning network and hope to meet you in our next class. See you. Take care. Goodbye.